welcome back. It's another Get Ready With Me. I'm going to be using this Blur Mercier Tinted Moisturizing Blush in Southbound. I don't know if you can get a look at the color. It looks like that. I have the Fenty Cream Bronzer. This is in Fair Pale. And I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette. Alright, let's do the bronzer. I have found that with this particular bronzer, or any bronzer, I like to use the BK Beauty 106 foundation brush for the bronzer. I like the precise application of it. My base is already on. Alright, and let me see, look in the viewfinder. I look pretty blended, so that's pretty good. It's only my third time using this. Alright, let's put on some blush. Let me shake this up. Oh, that is beautiful. That's a beautiful blush. A very beautiful blush. I think that really complements my skin tone. Then, what do we got? Oh, I have a new Duo Glow from Natasha Denona. I didn't show you that. This is in the color Raya. It looks like this. I'm not sure if this is a blush or a highlighter. We're gonna find out though. You could use this as a blush. let's put on the primer. Primer is on. Let's open up this Rose Quartz palette. Very pretty. I bought this when it first came out, but haven't used it yet. So now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do. Take my reference number 27. I am gonna go into Cherished, which is this light pinky pink right here, and put that in my crease. I mean, I'm sure everyone's been talking months about it. I'm on palette overload. I have 57 palettes that I have not used yet. I know. I'm gonna take this color right here. It's called Radiate. It's like a taupey pink. Right here. I'm gonna put that in my crease. This is a beautiful palette. I like these palettes because our powders always blend so nicely. This is so beautiful. Then I'm gonna go into Gratitude, which is right here, and deepen up my outer V. Deepen up my outer V. And then I'm going to take this metallic called Blissful, which is right here. Let me see if I can get it better. Which is right, blurred. Oh, and I'm going to put that all over the lid. This is almost like a topper shade. Very glittery. Very simple look. I have a new mascara. I have the Ico Sport Waterproof Mascara Catch and Curl. It's a tubing mascara, but it's waterproof. Looks like that. And it's a tube, and its brush looks like that. I've never used a tubing mascara before. It looks okay. It's waterproof. I mean, I have really short eyelashes anyway. I'm going to use this lip gloss from Natasha Denona. This is in Cala. Very pretty. I just happen to like her balms and her lip glosses. Well, that's it. That's my total look. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Hit the like button. It helps me be seen by other people. I'll see you in my next video.